Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
Start from Online Store Forms and click Create Form to begin. You will see templates for contact, product inquiry, and newsletter. Choose a template or build from scratch in 3 steps. Name the form clearly, set a descriptive internal label, and pick a submission confirmation message for customers. Add up to 50 fields and set required rules per field, choosing field types like text, email, phone, drop-down, checkbox, date, and file upload. Save progress frequently. Each save takes about 30 seconds and avoids lost changes. Use conditional logic to show fields based on previous answers, so customers only see relevant inputs. Create rules like show shipping address when fulfillment equals physical. Set validation rules like email, phone, or numbers with min and max values to prevent bad data and improve quality. Configure required timers or character limits for long answers, and limit file uploads to 10 MB and allow PNG, JPG, PDF formats. Preview mobile and desktop. Testing each conditional path takes about 2 minutes. Embed the form with a block, link, or pop-up in under 2 minutes. Add a form block to a page, copy a direct link, or configure a timed pop-up. Send submissions to email, Slack, or Zapier for automation and route entries to apps like Google Sheets, CRM, or marketing platforms. Set autoresponders to confirm receipt and include a 24 to 72-hour response SLA in your message. Export submissions as CSV or schedule daily exports at 24 hours, and archive entries for 90 days for audits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.